what this is a picture of? Give up? It's a polar bear eating a marshmallow in a snowstorm.
Sorry I'm late. Let's jump right into work.
Bad news. The storm is getting worse. The building's lost electricity, so the school is closed.
Don't worry, there's a 0% chance of freezing rain.
Mommy, Daddy, the town is exploding and it's very pretty.
I tried all night, but the plow's stuck. None of the roads can get plowed now.
Daddy, look, it's too cold to write. I have to stop doing my report.
Yes, we...
It's 10 o'clock. Now, live from Iowa's leading news station. Ann
Haney.
Rick Swalwell, Dave Nixon with weather, and Heidi Soliday with sports. This is CDA News live at 10.
Good evening.
I eat beans when we have all this food.
I wouldn't eat that junk if I was you. Besides, it's all froze.
I hate school.
Mr. Haney, he didn't mean it.
I want to go home. Beans.
Daddy, my hair dryer is broken, and the TV is broken, and the light in the kitchen is broken.
It's broken, Muffin. Our electricity is out.
Make it be fixed, Daddy.
No, I can't, Poochie Face.